Have you ever seen a car that makes you stop dead in your tracks, pull out your phone, and just stare because you genuinely cannot believe what your eyes are looking at? Because this custom Mercedes right here does exactly that to every single person who sees it. And today we're going to break down every single detail of this absolutely wild machine. Welcome back to 77 Motors, and trust me, you have never seen a Mercedes like this one before in your entire life. Let's start with that unforgettable exterior. This car is wearing a deep candy apple red paint that is so rich and so glossy, it almost looks like liquid poured over the body. But the real showstopper is that completely insane front end. Instead of traditional headlights, you get 4 round circular housing units finished in gloss black, each one featuring an illuminated 3-pointed Mercedes star badge that lights up like jewelry sitting on the face of this car. The front grille is a bold square mesh design flanked by those unique round fog light housings at the very bottom, giving this front end a look that is like absolutely nothing else on the road. The body itself flows in smooth, organic curves from front to rear with 0 sharp lines, sitting on blacked-out multi-spoke alloy wheels that contrast perfectly against that blazing red paint. Around the back, you are treated to 4 round LED tail lights again, featuring the iconic Mercedes star logo, a carbon fiber diffuser, and 4 exhaust pipes that exit aggressively through the bottom. This thing looks incredible from every single angle. Step inside, and the luxury hits you immediately. The interior is wrapped in full black quilted diamond-stitched leather covering every seat and door panel. Purple ambient lighting traces the dashboard and door trims, creating a moody premium atmosphere. You get a digital instrument cluster, a carbon fiber center console, sport pedals, and a flat-bottom AMG steering wheel with a 3-pointed star centered perfectly. The rear seats offer equally impressive quilted leather and generous legroom, making every passenger feel like royalty. Under the hood, this custom Mercedes is believed to house a twin-turbocharged AMG V8 engine, producing around 600 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration and a soundtrack that will raise the hairs on the back of your neck. For the price, a custom build like this is estimated to cost between $180,000 and $220,000, depending on specification and build complexity. This is one of a kind, and it proves that true automotive passion has absolutely no limits. If you love what you saw today, smash that like button, subscribe to 77 Motors, and we will see you in the next one.